May bagong project si presidente and hopefully hindi ito yung maging Dolomite ni PBBM. Initial phase of 18 billion peso Pasig River mixed use park unveiled to the public. So yun nga maraming nagko-comment. Wala pa man. Sabi, dangerous barometer daw 'yan, sabi, of his political success. Kasi nga gagamitin din to against him kapag hindi tumakbo na maayos. Yung 20 pesos nga na hindi pinangako, ginagamit against him. Ito pa na pinlano talaga niya. But I will not be deterred from placing a bet in this endeavor because the presidency is about attaining the grant and not wasting mandates on the betting. Kagaya lang na laging pinapaalala sa atin ng ating butihing kalihim ng DHSUD, go big or go home, sabi niya.